Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. So today, let's talk about rules in combining numbers in arithmetic or combining similar terms or like terms in algebra. So the same rule applies in both arithmetic and algebra. For example, if you are combining numbers, the rule or combining terms, the rule is you add. There's no other rule, just add when you combine. Now, under that rule, there's another two rules. Number one, if you are adding numbers or terms of different signs, you subtract and carry the sign of the bigger number or the terms that carry the bigger coefficient. Okay? Next, if you're adding numbers or terms that are similar or like terms, then you of the same signs, you add the numbers or you add the coefficients of the terms, and then the result must carry the common sign. So that's how easy, and I will demonstrate that in our next video. I will show you simple examples to make it clearer to you. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.